Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start on clean, hydrated skin so products sit evenly. Apply a light primer to areas that crease or fade, then put a thin layer of foundation or tinted balm. Blend outward with a damp sponge or dense brush to avoid streaks. Once done, press a translucent powder only where necessary to control shine. Avoid overpowdering the apples of your cheeks so blush and highlighter will adhere. Make sure your base looks skin-like and slightly dewy before moving on. You pick a blush formula that suits your skin finish. Creams for radiance, powders for staying power. Smile gently to locate the apples of your cheeks and place color there, then sweep or blend toward the temple at about a 45 degrees angle to lift the face. Once done with the first pass, make sure to step back and build slowly. Tap off excess product and use small circular motions for a seamless gradient so the color looks natural and flattering under different. You target the high points of your face with highlighter to create dimension. Cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply sparingly with a small fan or tapered brush. Then blend the edges so it reads like skin rather than glitter. Once done, make sure to set your makeup with a light mist or very fine translucent powder where you over-applied. Troubleshooting tip. If highlight looks patchy, gently buff with a clean, damp sponge to even it out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.